Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML on Notepad. First, open Notepad or any plain text editor. Begin by typing the fundamental HTML structure, including the doctype HTML declaration and the HTML head and body tags. This forms the essential skeleton of your web page. Remember to save your file with a HTML extension, like My First Page. HTML, so your browser recognizes it as a web document. Now, let's explore some essential HTML tags. Use H1 through H6 for different heading sizes and P for paragraphs to structure your text. To link to other pages, use the tag with an href attribute. For images, the img tag with a src attribute is key. You can also make text bold with strong and italic with M. Structuring your page effectively is crucial. The div tag is excellent for grouping related content, helping you organize your layout. For lists, use all for ordered lists with numbers and ol for unordered lists with bullet points, both containing lie items. Don't forget to add comments using, and to make your code understandable for yourself and others. To see your creation, simply open your saved HTML file directly in any web browser. It will render your code into a visual web page. As you make changes in Notepad, save your file and then refresh your browser to instantly see the updates. Consistent practice, even just 15 minutes daily, by building small projects is the best way to solidify your HTML knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.